Hi there. Finding the 5 best oven for baking cakes worthy of your earned money is certainly challenging. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Check the product links below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Panasonic Toaster Oven. If looking to replace your current oven with a new unit that cooks faster, then this is the best oven for baking cookies for you. The compact countertop unit features a double infrared ray heater that enables you to cook up to 40% faster than conventional toaster ovens. The convection technology produces instant heat to prevent the need for preheating for an easy baking experience. Operating this oven is super easy, even for absolute beginners. It comes with up to 6 auto menus with clearly illustrated preset buttons to give you a smooth start. You press these buttons, and the unit automatically calculates the tasting time and browning level for you. It also features a digital timer and temperature settings to help you bake perfect cookies and cakes. It comes with a square-shaped inner tray that's perfect for preparing pizza up to 9 inches in diameter or up to 4 slices of bread. Its chrome tray is fully removable for easy cleaning. With a bright interior, you can quickly view your food as it cooks. And the reminder beep notifies you when your food is fully cooked and ready. Number 2. Our second best pick is Breville Beau 450XL Mini Smart Oven. If space is a premium for you, you'll like this ultra-compact mini oven. Its small design enables it to sit on your countertop in your compact kitchen easily. You can also use it as a great travel companion for your RV. The oven will let you bake the perfect pizzas, delicious cookies, and toast evenly. It boasts Breville's Element IQ, an intelligent heat transfer system that distributes heat across 4 quartz elements to ensure precision and stability exactly where and when you need it. The Aspect provides perfect cook results. It delivers super-fast 1800 watts preheat for faster baking results. Keep in mind that this unit comes armed with up to 8 preset cooking functions. These will guide you to perfectly bake various foods, including toast, bagel, broil, bake, cookies, pizza, and reheat. Despite its compact design, this mini oven has a remarkable capacity of up to 11-inch pizza or 4 slices of the toaster. It presents you with a backlit, easy-read LCD that calculates the correct cook time and temperature for perfect cook results. The inside walls of this oven are fully non-stick to prevent food from sticking and ensure easy cleaning. Number 3. Our third best pick is Decker Convection Toaster Oven. If you're on a tight budget but desire the best oven for home baking, we found this convection toaster oven for you. What you'll like about convection ovens is how efficiently they circulate hot air through the stove to produce even and fast baking results. And this unit isn't an exception. The oven comes optimized to make your home baking fun and easy. It presents you with up to 8 preset cooking functions to quickly cook a wide variety of foods. It's rare to find a budget-friendly convection oven with a spacious interior. But this Decker unit goes beyond such limitations. It presents you with an extra deep interior that will easily fit up to 12 inches pizzas or up to 6 slices of bread. What's more, it features dual-position rack high and low oven racks to offer you the versatility you need to achieve great results on all your foods. You can place your food right under the broiler or even make room for more oversized items. Don't forget that this unit comes with a non-stick interior to ensure easy and fast cleanup. Just a simple wipe is all you need to clean the oven's interior. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Oster Extra Large Convection Oven. The Oster gives you the ultimate convenience of cooking with an oven on your countertop. Like our previous unit, this oven features convection technology that distributes heat throughout the oven to offer you perfect cooking results. The oven comes in an extra large design and will make the perfect choice for holidays when you need extra oven space or to bake cakes and cookies for many people. It provides you with a generously sized interior with enough space to accommodate up to 2 take and bake pizzas, 18 slices of bread, a roast, or a family-sized chicken. It also comes with 2 adjustable racks that you can place in 2 positions, which means you can easily customize the interior space to meet your unique cooking needs. For your convenience, this oven comes with digital settings to help take the guesswork out of cooking for various foods, including cakes, pizzas, toast, broil, defrost options, etc. Its 90-minute timer with an auto shutoff feature lets you know when your food is ready. As a bonus, the manufacturer packages this oven with an integrated broiler rack and a baking pan. These will make your home baking an easy experience. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Hamilton Countertop Toaster Oven. Hamilton is also in the race to produce the best ovens for baking cakes at home, as evidenced by this popular model. You'll be hard-pressed to find an oven with a roll-top door design like this oven. The door's unique and large opening gives you easy access to food. Since it opens above your oven, it also frees up the counter space in front. Unlike most toaster ovens out there, this unit gives you a choice between bake and convection cooking methods. Use the bake function to make delicious cakes and desserts. Or use the convection for cooking crisp, golden brown pizza, and in general, even cooked foods. It offers you an incredibly spacious interior where you can easily fit all your family's favorite meals, including after-school snacks, frozen pizzas, toast, or homemade meals. The unit features contoured dials that are easy to grip and turn, enabling you to switch between broil, bake, and toast settings easily. The oven's timer knob features a stop mechanism to make the stay-on setting safer. And the best part about this oven is that it's easy to keep clean since foods won't spill on its roll-up door. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.